Hola amigos, bienvenidos a mi canal, soy Rocío. Si eres nuevo a mi canal, muchísimas gracias por visitarme y desde ya te invito a que le des like al video, te suscribas a mi canal y no te olvides de activar la campanita de notificaciones para que no te pierdas de nada. So, I got this suggestion. Did you know that Morissette, besides being a great singer, a great actress, she can do it all. She's so versatile. She also won Rubik's Cube competition when she was a kid. Did you know that? I didn't know that. But I got this suggestion, so we're gonna watch it. And this was years ago. It says 2008. She was 12 years old here, and she solved the Rubik's Cube competition in 38 seconds against 14 other contestants. And she set the fastest time in qualifying and winning in the main events in her division, grades 4, 5, and 6. Damn, she's so talented. So she has it all. Damn, ok, vamos a prepararnos y le damos play. Is that her? She's gifted. She's talented. She's so focused. That's her. Damn. Everybody's cheering. That's so hard. Wow. She's sweating. Wow. Second. This is so cool to watch. Wow. She looks so shy there, but she's so proud that she did it so fast.
Earlier, we only need the top 3. So we would like to request the following students to please move forward. Morissette Amon, first place. Second place. And Campo from the grade 4.
Wow. Wow, this is crazy. So, besides being a great singer, an actress, she is so versatile. She has it going on. She's beautiful, great voice. On top of that, she's gifted. That's not easy. That is not easy at all. And she did it so fast. She was so focused. And then at the end, when she did it, she was like, yeah. But she was like kind of shy. She was sweating. She's so cute. But man, I mean, she's just a natural. I mean, she can do it all. And I was actually kind of shocked in the last reaction that we did. And I was like confused because like I saw a different side of her. Now I see this. She's just talented. She's a natural. She's gifted. I mean, she's just perfect. What else can she do? Or is there something that she can do? I doubt it. I doubt it because she can do it all. I mean, I'm just amazed by Morissette. She amazes me each and every time I see a video. And there's always something new about her that I didn't know. I didn't know this. And I want to know how many of you knew about this competition and that she won it. And she did it in 38 seconds. Not 40, 38 seconds. And also, I want to invite you to follow me on social media. Here are all my accounts. And you can add TikTok to that also. There's daily content, videos, pictures, a little bit of everything. So, see you there. Déjame tus comentarios y cuéntame qué te pareció esta competencia. No es fácil resolver eso y todavía en 38 segundos. Qué impresionante, una niñita recontra talentosa desde temprana edad. Déjame tus comentarios para poder leerlos y nos vemos en la próxima. Chao.